If you are looking to have the most luxurious accommodations at the Barcelo Bavaro Palace, you might want to look at the presidential suite. This is the Don Gabriel presidential suite. I'm going to take you for a tour of this beautiful presidential suite. Walk in, beautiful entranceway, and of course, you can see the start of that beautiful, large balcony. Nice little sitting area, little sofa and a coffee table. We'll walk right through this beautiful presidential suite. First room you come to is a little study area, little sofa, coffee table, computer with a printer. You've even got some books. And a little bathroom off the study. And up on our left is one of the first bedrooms. There are 3.5 bedrooms. This is the first one, beautiful king bed, 2 chairs, television, ceiling fan, and of course you have the lovely ocean view. And adjacent to this first bedroom, you've got the washroom, double vanity, the rainwater shower head. Take a quick peek at the washroom area. There's your toilet. And this is a walk-in closet area adjacent to the washroom and the first bedroom. I'll walk back, take you for another look. And as you can see, this is a continuation. This takes you into the walk-in closet area. And then next is the kitchen. You do have a full kitchen here. It does not have a stove, but you do have a full fridge that is nicely stocked for you. Little kitchen table. As I mentioned, you've got your sink, your microwave. One of the highlights of the presidential suite is it does come with a butler, and you have a couple options. The butler can actually stay with you in the suite here, and this would be their bedroom, or you could use this as a 4th bedroom if you've got a larger family. And this would be the butler's washroom space, or another washroom space for your family. Again, this presidential suite does come with Butler Service. You can choose to have the butler stay in the room with your family, or you can have that extra bedroom if you need the extra space. It's a lovely dining room table. You've got an elevated mini bar here as well with very premium liquors. You open up these curtains and we will go out onto the balcony. Lovely sitting area, another outdoor dining area. Got a hammock, lounge chairs, and my goodness, you've got the most glorious ocean view in this beautiful infinity pool. We just had a little rain shower come through. Got some more loungers and another hammock. See, this balcony just goes for miles. First bedroom opens up to the balcony over here, and the other bedrooms open up to the balcony space that you can see there. Lovely outdoor dining option. Outdoor seating. Let's take one more look at that beautiful infinity pool. You can see the tops of the palm trees there. Just a beautiful private pool for you and your family, your friends. Presidential suite can accommodate up to 8 adults. And if you've got some children, you can actually increase the number of people in this space to 10. But those final 2 guests must be children. We're coming into one of the main living areas. So this is a sitting area. You've got your chairs, coffee tables, couch, nice large television. Again, more windows. You can access the balcony. And we're going to come into the bedroom area. I am going to start with the 2 double beds. Just a beautiful room, little shades at the end of the beds, tons of storage, wonderful desk, sitting area. Take a look from the other angle of the room. Looking back, you see the double vanity, the 2 double beds. To the right there, I've opened up the doors. And yes, this is another walk-in closet. Tons of storage space in here. Beautiful walk-in closet. More storage over here. Toilet area. And the shower. Rainwater shower head. Handheld nozzle. And we're going to take a look at the primary bedroom. Lovely desk. Beautiful king-size bed, which is facing the ocean. Lovely sitting area. Again, just a beautiful oceanfront view from your presidential suite. You've got access to the balcony. We're going to walk through the washroom area. You've got your jacuzzi, double vanity. You've got your shower and toilet area. You've got the toilet with the bidet. Quick look at the shower. Rainwater shower head. Handheld nozzle. Dispensers. And bring you back around, that's the jacuzzi tub. And you come back into the main bedroom area. Take you for another look, different angle of this beautiful bedroom in the Don Gabriel Presidential Suite. King bed, beautiful oceanfront view, adjacent bathroom and closet. I'm going to take you for another walkthrough as we exit the Presidential Suite. 2 bedrooms, living area with the television, and just beautiful windows and doorways in every inch of this room. So you always have, and you can always enjoy that beautiful ocean view. Coming back through, you've got your dining room. You have a lovely private dinner here with your family, your friends. Take another look at the outdoor space. Again, this is your private outdoor space, private outdoor dining, if you'd like. Hammocks, lounge chairs, outdoor sofas, Beautiful infinity pool, some more loungers. This is a wonderful space. If you're looking to have the most elevated experience here at the Barcelo Bavaro Palace, you're going to want to enjoy this amazing presidential suite.